Okay, we're going to try to do this braining camp so we can review how multiplication works. So we're going to use algebra tiles through braining camp. I'm just telling you guys, this is about the 10th time I've recorded this video, so crossing my fingers this one works. Okay, so you click on your portal on braining camp, and we're going to be using algebra tiles. Okay, so down here you see where it says basic. I'm moving my cursor around here. So click on here and change it to factors. That gives us this kind of multiplication mat sort of thing. Okay, so our factors are going to go here, and that's going to create an area here that we have to fill in, and that is what's going to give us our answer. So the by our binomials that we're multiplying together, my recording is going to end. Okay. Oh, it says we're still going. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so the binomials we're multiplying together is 2x minus 3 times x plus 5. So we're going to model these factors on the ends here, like the side lengths of a rectangle. So 2x minus 3. So to get my, that won't go away. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm going to move these. You can get these to flip around down here. I just can't get to it because of this stuff here on my screen. Or you can flip them around this way. So 2x, get another one. Okay, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2x minus 3. And then you do the x plus 5 here. And so when you're done, it will look like this. So you see how I have this grayed out area? That's what I'm going to try to fill in to make the rectangle to get the answer to as the product of 2x minus 3 times x plus 5. So when we're trying to fill this in, it's like a puzzle. I have to fit the pieces in exactly. So I need a piece that fits here that has a side length of x, and then its other side length is x. So that's going to be the x squared square. So that one goes in there. Okay, so see how it fits exactly? It's not like hanging over into these or down into this one. Okay, now let's talk about what's going to go here. So here I need a side length of x and a side length of 1. So that's going to be my x squared right there. Okay. All right, so then I'm going to fill those in. Now let's talk about here. I need a side length of x, a side length of x, so I need another one of these. Okay, and then here I need a side length of x, a side length of 1, but it has to be negative. So that's going to be my negative x squared. So here we can see where I can flip these around, and that fits in exactly right there. Okay, so then what the mat's doing is it's keeping track of the value of this rectangle right here. All right, so let's fill the rest of this in. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here we go. Bam. This is what it'll look like. Let me show you how I got these here. So this little square, to fill in all of these, I need a side length of 1 and another side length of 1. So I need these little squares, but it's negative times a positive. So I need a negative 1 in there. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. So that's my answer. That's my product. So all I'm going to do is come in here and clean this up a little bit because I see that I have, oops, like pairs there, like terms. So I'm going to just combine those together. So it's going to be 2x squared. This is hard to write with a mouse. 10x minus 3x leaves me with 7x. And then I have my minus 15. Okay, so if you look at here, like maybe this wasn't clear, 2x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's, and 1, 2, 3 negative x's, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by 3, 15, negative 1. So that's why this is what it is. Okay, so integers, I know not always everybody's favorite. So when you have your model, you know that you have some zero pairs here. A negative x will cancel a positive x, and the algebra tiles makes them go away when you do the zero pairs. So negative x. So now I know I'm messing up my area model, but now you can see why the answer is what it is. Okay.